Good morning, this is Michael Zippy, dude over at Russ Darrow, Wauwatosa. They asked me to cover something that you may not know, kind of like the secrets in the car business. A lot of people don't know when they're trying to buy a car, like let's say you're trying to buy this Telluride right here, or maybe even this Stinger right here, is when you get down to like going over payments and everything, and let's say you're $10 or $20 away, there might be a car that the managers want to get rid of because statistically it's been here for too long. Okay, so when you get down to that last bit of payment and you're like, man, I just can't afford that, I need a little bit better payment, there might be a car that they can discount or blow out to get rid of it because they need it gone. You can always resort to that, but it may not be the color you want or may not have the options you want, but it may get you the car you need. Michael Zippy, do a Russ Darrow, Wauwatosa. Thanks. Have a great day.
All right, my name is Kevin Minley. I'm the general manager here at Russ Darrow, Wauwatosa. So I want to give you a fact that most people don't know about an automotive dealership, all right? And this is a big thing because people always think this is the truth, but let me tell you, here it is. This is a true fact. You do not get a better deal by paying cash, right? Everyone thinks, I got cash, I'm gonna get a better deal. This is not like if you're going to buy a car from a private party and you put, $5,000, $100 bills right there on the table and all of a sudden it looks appealing. Well, we deal with a lot of different transactions every single day. And whether you write a check, whether you pay cash, whether you finance, it's all the same amount of money to us, especially the way they move money now. When you finance a contract, we get our money instantly. Whereas opposed to if it's cash, it's a big deal to try to count the money. And two, you always can be at risk at counterfeit. We've had a lot of different situations where people came in with $25,000 and they didn't know any better. So we know it wasn't the customer, but maybe $400 or $500 there was cash. Well, because of that transaction, the whole transaction was voided because we couldn't be a part of that and we had to return that money to them. Or let's say you come in, you want to write a check. You said it's cash or write a check. Well, we have to wait for the bank to clear it, and that could take a couple of days, especially if it's on a weekend. Or you can say it's a cashier's check. Well, a cashier's check is fine as well. However, with the way things are right now, anyone can make a check. Anyone can make a cashier's check. So we have to wait till the bank is open. We have to call. We have to verify it. And again, it takes time. It takes sometimes maybe 3 or 4 hours. And if it's the weekend, we may have to wait from Friday to Monday. So it's just as easy for us if you finance the vehicle, whether you write a check, whether you write cash, it's all the same. We're gonna give you the best deal no matter what. So don't feel like you have to empty your savings account. Don't feel like you have to go down to Potawatomi and win a bunch of money. Don't worry, it's all cash to us. We're gonna take care of you regardless. It's no big deal. Just come on in, whatever resources that you have, and we'll be willing to work with you. I hope that answers some questions. Hope that made things great for you. If you have any other questions, don't feel you can reach out to us right here on Russ Darrow, Wauwatosa, where we're #1 in the state, we're #1 in the group, and we're #1 in your heart. Have a great day.